Welcome back to Up and Above Electric. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so as you're watching this video. You don't want to miss out all these great videos that we put out every week. Let's get into this video. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I go about installing a light fixture and how to install a smoke alarm. So the first thing I'm doing currently right now is getting my box ready. As you can see, in this box has a 12.3 MC. The reason I run a 12.3 MC is because number one, I love using MC wire. I don't like using just a regular 12.2. Even though the MC is a little bit more money, I prefer to have a grounding going straight to one location to the other versus relying on the jacket of the wire itself. As you can see, I have a red wire there as well. Anytime I'm doing a bedroom, a dining room, or it depends on the location, the center box I always put 12.3. The reason that is because number one, you don't know what kind of light fixture the person is going to install. Maybe in the future they turn the box into a ceiling fan where you need a switch leg for your fan and then one for the light itself. Granted, sometimes they do come with remote, but nevertheless, it's a good hack to just install a 12.3 in all your center boxes in a bedroom, guest room, any location that has a center box. But anyway, as you can see, I'm installing this light fixture. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm installing the adapter that comes with the light. For those who don't know, anytime you're doing a round box in the ceiling, you need 832 screws. Once I finish install my box, so the next thing you can see, I grab a piece of tape. I'm taping the extra wire that I have in the box, which is the red one, for the future use. Once I finish with that, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my light and then hook it up. The great thing about this light fixture, which I love, is the fact that it comes with a quick connect already in there. So all I gotta do is strip my wire, my ground, my neutral, and my switch leg, and then just clip it in there. I don't need to use wire nut in this situation. And then once you're finished do that, I tuck in the wire nice and neat in the box, and then screw in the light, and then on to the next. I'm going to show you guys a closer look. As you can see, the quick connect didn't come with a ground. The ground didn't come with a quick connect. But as you can see, you see the neutral come with a quick connect. Boom. So that's done. So now it's just a matter of installing the light fixtures. Here we go. Done deal. So now the next thing I want to do, I want to show you guys how to install a smoke alarm. So now even in this smoke alarm box, I have 12.3 MCs. The reason you see 12.3 MC in a smoke alarm box is because the smoke alarm has to communicate with the other one in the other bedroom. The red wire is the signal. The black one give it constant power, and of course the white one is the neutral. And then this particular smoke alarm the signal wire that comes with it is yellow, so the yellow has to go with my red wire, which is my communication wire. So if there's a fire in this bedroom, it notifies the other smoke and they all go off simultaneously. And if you guys have any question, comment below. I'll be glad to answer your questions. And also, if you would like to see a specific video and a specific things, put it in the comment below. And maybe I could make that video for you so you guys could learn something. And there you have it, job done. So now it's just a matter of pressing the button and test it. Make sure they all work together. And that's that. Remember guys, to subscribe to the channel. Peace, till next time.